Hi friends, welcome back to Laravel A tutorial. In this video, I will going to show you how to create a custom 4.0 page using Laravel. By default, Laravel provides 404 page. If you enter any wrong URL, it will redirect to that 404 page. Here is my application is running and I am just entering some random data, suppose ABCD. So it will say the 404 not found. That means if this URL is not registered in our application, it will throw an error. It will go to the 404 not found page. So now let's create our own customized 404 page. Suppose here in my desktop I have created error.html page. So I want to see my Laravel 404 page will look like this 404 page. So now let's create our own 404 page. That is very simple. Just go to the resource and inside the resource just go to the views, and inside the views folder create another folder that is errors, and inside the error folder just create another blade that is 404.blade.php. So here is my 404 blade.php and use the HTML5 element, and suppose I am creating the title that is 404 not found, and this is my HTML and CSS page for 404 page. So it will look like this page. So just copy tile from here, so just copy and paste it inside the header tag and copy the body section. So here I am copying the body, so error 404 and a hyperlink that is back to home page. So just refresh this page. So here you can see in the Laravel application we got the new or customized 404 page, and just make it clickable. So if anyone using the wrong URL, it will show this page and will provide a link to go to the original site, that is back to home page. So just use in the href section. So here just use the URL and just slash. Okay, so now refresh this page, and if anyone go to the wrong URL, it will show this page, and if they click on back to the home page, they will go to the original page. Okay, so just check another. So yeah, I'm using the random URL here. So go to the error 404 page and go to the original Laravel application. So in this way we can create our own custom 404 page. Please comment your queries in comment box. Next day I will discuss about Laravel helpers. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.